Myself Bhavesh Patel from Textronic Industries Private Limited. Let me introduce my company, Textronic. We are the trusted power partner since 1989. We have the products, stabilizers, which we build up for very high capacity, greater than 1500 kVA. We have this model. Then we have a lot of advantage as a one package concept for the customer, and we make one unit, so customer will have a lesser installation cost and more benefits for their equipment. We have power saving IGBT rectifiers, which is going to have a better coating qualities for their DC power supplies, for the coatings, and also for the hydrogen generation, and also for the metal recovery and anodizing. We have our another product is a stabilizer, which we have different ratings. Up to 75 kVA we have the 75 kVA we have air cool model, which looks like this. We have oil cool up to 250 kVA, which will be having this type of model, easy to be have a service and easy for installation for the customer. And it will be what the servo stabilizer will do in general. It will protect your equipment, which is having a more breakdown because of the voltage, higher voltage and lower voltage issues. It will protect your equipment up to 80% and reduce the breakdown 80% in your plant, and your plant will work continuously and you will get a more production, you will get a more money. Also, this stabilizer, when you reducing the voltage, it will save energy in lighting loads and also inductive load. Up to 30% you can save the energy with servo voltage stabilizers. In servo voltage stabilizer we make for bigger rating also, 300 kVA to 600 kVA. This model will be there. 750 kVA to 150 kVA, 1500 kVA we have this model, and more than 1500 kVA I have already shown to you. This model will be there. So we build up full range of stabilizer up to 5000 kVA. We have the Textronic team here. We say and we deliver, we build our business on trust and integrity. That's our value for our customer and our business. This is our team where we are together and we are working as a team to deliver the best quality results for our customers. And these are our other stabilizers. This is air cool, this is oil cool, this is again a oil cool, 150 kVA. Then we have another stabilizer of 150 kVA, right? And also we have the DC rectifiers. I will show it to you. DC rectifier is basically used for the electroplating purpose, and which we have a zinc plating, nickel plating, hard chrome, pickling, all the applications we are covering with the DC rectifier. We make from 100 ampere to 50,000 ampere capacity, and also we have the polarity reversal as a dedicated solution for many industry where the anode and cathode require to be changed to have a better coating quality and pickling systems and lot of different applications. We are giving the solutions with a full automation system with a PLC and HMI control. So this is another product for stabilizer rectifier. This is a physical model of 1000 ampere rectifier. So this is rectifier 1000 ampere 12 volt. Apart from that, we make thyristor heating control system, which is basically very useful for the precise heat control. And we have the PCC, MCC panels, CPFC panels, which is power distribution and the power factor control systems. Also we make AC drive panels, which we build up. This is a 400 kilowatt VFD panel, which is shown here. Also we make a isolation transformer, which is going to be protect your neutral issues. Also we are the company which is available in the globally, and we do business with many countries. We supply to many countries. We have our representative as a partners in the many countries. So we are the global company as a Textronic, and we are here to help you for your all power related issues and support you for your power partners. We are the trusted power partner since 1989. We are the Textronic. Thank you.
Thank you.